Welcome to F-Ship Seller Studio. In this video, we show you how to raise and manage NDRs directly from your dashboard. You'll learn how to raise an NDR from the panel, upload bulk NDR files, export your data, and make the most of filters to manage shipments better. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access the NDR section. First, log into your F-Ship account. From the left menu, click on NDR. Here, you'll see 5 different order types. Action required. This section shows all the NDR orders that required action to be taken. Action taken. This section shows the order on which either the seller, buyer, or the F-Ship team has already taken action. Delivered. This section shows the NDR orders that are successfully delivered. You can analyze your NDR conversion from here. RTO. This section shows you the NDR order that has gone RTO. All orders. This shows all the orders that are marked as NDR. These tabs help you track and take actions based on the current status of your shipments. To make NDR management easier, use the filters available at the top of the section. You can filter orders by date range, order date, AWB date, AWB number, email or contact number, courier partner, product or SKU, order status, NDR tag. These filters help you quickly find specific NDR orders and take timely actions without manually scrolling through the list. Step 2. Take action on NDR orders. The data for NDR is auto-updated on F-Ship panel upon shared by the courier. The seller or F-Ship team can take actions on those non-delivered orders. In order to take action, you may select the NDR you want to take action for. Review the order details, including the first and last non-delivery attempts. Now simply click on Take Action and add actions like reattempt, change address, or change contact number for the order. You can add reattempt and can reschedule the attempt for up to 4 days from current date. In change address, please note that the PIN code of the order cannot be changed. Only minor address update can be updated in the address. For example, the house number can be changed. In change contact number, you can simply add the correct contact number of the customer for easy communication. This ensures your instructions are passed on clearly, improving delivery chances. Step 3. Taking bulk action. In order to take bulk action, select the orders you want to update details, or if you want to take on the whole data at once, then simply select all. Once selected, you can take actions on the bulk selected list. Step 4. Check NDR history. For each shipment, you can check the NDR history. This gives you a clear view of all updates, actions taken, and delivery attempts, so you never lose track of what's happening with your orders. Step 5. Export data. Need to analyze your NDR performance offline? Just click on Export CSV. This will download a complete report of your NDR data for review, reporting, or decision making. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can easily raise NDRs, upload bulk files, export shipment data, and manage everything with filters. F-Ship makes NDR handling simpler, smarter, and more efficient. For more seller tutorials, stay tuned to F-Ship Seller Studio. Thanks for watching.
F से फास्ट, F से F-Ship.